Hey guys, we're introducing our latest dual-lens panoramic network camera. This is the camera's packaging, designed in a minimalist style. Users can directly learn about the camera's main features and functions through the packaging. Next, let's take a look at what's inside the box. We have included an adequate amount of EPE foam in the packaging to effectively protect the product. The camera and its accessories are placed in specific positions, making the arrangement neat and aesthetically pleasing. And this is the screw kit, wrench, waterproof set, positioning sticker, quick start guide, and camera. The camera has two built-in microphones. Here is the camera spotlight, which supports infrared and warm white light. Here is the built-in speaker, and here's the SD card slot and reset button. This is the power port, reset button, Ethernet interface, power output, alarm in, and alarm out. It features two f1.0 lenses, with each lens offering a viewing angle of up to 110 degrees. With these two lenses, it achieves a 200-degree ultra-wide-angle panoramic monitoring capability. Therefore, this camera is highly suitable for use in spacious areas such as traffic zones, entrances, and parking lots. We've got this advanced dynamic seamless stitching technology, and it makes the whole video footage really smooth and natural. Dual-lens panoramic network camera supports 4K Ultra HD resolution. Even distant objects can be seen clearly. It also supports infrared night vision, full-color night vision, and intelligent night vision functions. The intelligent night vision function is based on human shape detection. When a person appears in a monitored area, the camera will automatically switch from infrared mode to full-color mode, effectively saving storage resources and energy. It supports sound and light alarm functionality. When a detection function is triggered, the camera can deter targets by sounding the alarm and flashing white light. We can also issue warnings to intruders through the two-way audio functionality.
Please leave here.
Okay.
Dual-lens panoramic network camera not only features comprehensive alarm functions, but also supports various intelligent detection capabilities. That's all for the dual-lens panoramic network camera. If you'd like to know more about other products, feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section. We'll see you next time!